Shwmae hoel! Dan ydw I, ac dwi'n 12 oed. Dwi'n mynd i'r clwb ffarmau ifanc Keystone. I first learned my Welsh in Ysgol Spittle. Don't I look cute? So, I've been nominated for a Shwmae Award for helping encourage the Welsh language throughout Keystone YFC, by helping others who aren't quite fluent in the Welsh language give it a go on that Eisteddfod stage. Now, Keystone isn't traditionally a Welsh-speaking club, but I think we have left quite a mark over the past couple of years doing some pretty outrageous things. Last year in the Llyfari Unigol, I came third, which for a non-fluent Welsh speaker against fluent Welsh speakers, I think wasn't too shabby. But I always try and encourage our younger members, but even in club coming in, Shwmae hoel, and I really try and work. As a proud Welshman, I love to develop my Welsh further and be able to call myself fluent in a few years' time. I really do try in club to help everybody speak it, and I even try and work. Diolch yn fawr am gwylio'r fy fideo, ar welach chi ar y nos.